Good evening friends. Today's my topic is ASEAN and I will be covering my topic in few subparts which include what is ASEAN, the importance of ASEAN for India, the recent developments, the problems and at last the solutions or the way forward. So starting with the what is ASEAN. ASEAN stands for Association for Southeast Asian Nations and it is a political and economic bloc of 10 member nations of the Southeast Asia which includes the Brunei, Cambodia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore and few others. And this organization was basically formed after the colonization system of the Britain in the year 1967 to promote the cooperation among the nations of the Southeast Asia and also to economically help each other. And the headquarters of this organization are situated in Jakarta, Indonesia. And now talking about the India and this ASEAN. So both the nations, both ASEAN is very much important for the India, and India has also launched a policy, Look East policy, for the ASEAN member nations. And also ASEAN is the fourth largest trading partner of India, and both the ASEAN and India have an annual summit which is conducted each year. And both the ASEAN and India has also signed the free trade agreement among them. And India is also helping ASEAN in various other sectors like the maritime security, illegal fishing, and also the drug trafficking going on in the uh, South China Sea and also in the among the ASEAN nations. Now talking about the recent developments why the ASEAN is in new recently. So in last month only the India ASEAN annual summit has been conducted. The various issues has been discussed which include basically the maritime security and also the China's growing dominance among the ASEAN nations. And also the recent Quad meeting which was also conducted last month only, the ASEAN member nations were included as all the Quad members has assured the ASEAN nation to take a control on the ships, the Chinese ships which are doing illegal fishing in the South China Sea. Now, talking about the challenges which are occurring in the in the South Asian nations or the ASEAN. So the very common challenge and the very major challenge is the China's growing dominance in the South Asian nations, as China is continuously exporting and also building various manufacturers like the ports, cities, the rail networks, and also the airports in these countries under the Belt and Road Initiative. And also there is a South China Sea dispute among the ASEAN nations and also with the China, as all the China and the ASEAN nations believe there are few islands in the South China Sea which they claim to be themselves their own. And also there is other challenge, there is the economic instability in the ASEAN nations. If we look at the Cambodia, which is very poor, but at the same time Singapore is very rich, but the countries are not much cooperating for the economic stability. And also there is a issue of maritime security in the South China Sea, as Chinese ships have been various times killing the innocent fishermen in the region. Now coming straight to the solutions or the way forward. As I earlier mentioned, the ASEAN is very much important for the India, and also India is very much important for ASEAN. So what India can do is India can connect its northeastern states with the ASEAN nations and also replace the China from its market, as both the countries have free trade agreement also, and India can work on its Act East policy and support these nations as like we did in the times of COVID, as we provided vaccines and also various other equipments and the medical facilities. Thank you.